I'm going to try picking this lock. It is a Chinese lock called Gold Door, that's the make. Hardened shank. It's old, I've had it 40 years. When I left China to come and live in Europe, I brought this with me, attached to a trunk. So let's have a look at the key. It doesn't really fit that well. I have to do a little bit of adjusting. And there we go. So the key itself is not perfect. It's a bit rusty, it's a bit old-fashioned, but I'm going to have a go at picking it. So I think I'm going to put it into the vise this way. It's a very large keyway, as you can see, and because of that I'm not going to use a standard tension wrench. I'm going to use one which I made specially. It's very heavy, very thick, and yes, it fits into the keyway without much problem. So I'm going to try, first of all, I'm going to try raking to see if I can get any result. I've seen other people try this variety of lock, and I know that the pins are really quite difficult to set. So I might have to be doing a hybrid pick, which means doing a little bit of raking. Oh, there we go. So it didn't need a hybrid pick, and there we go, a simple rake. I'll try it one more time, but I must say, with these sort of locks, with any sort of lock, you can try it once and it works, and you can try it again and it doesn't, and you therefore have to try a different technique. A little bit of raking. I've tried picking this single pick. I find it quite difficult, so I thought I might have to do a hybrid. Nothing happening there. I don't feel anything on the wrench at all. Nothing happening there. So I'm going to try single picking to see if I can get some of these pins down. There are six pins. I'm getting no response at all, really. This is, oh, maybe one there. Go further back. Wow, these pins are really hard. Okay, there's another one. I could have overset that. Another one. Seem to be doing quite well. And let us try the rake just to finish it off. And there we go. So that really was a hybrid pick. That means I use both a rake and a hook to single pick, but it works.